Here. Mheshimiwa, thank you so much for speaking to us. You have been with the Deputy President. Perhaps, what is his status at this time?
It's very unfortunate that the Deputy President is overwhelmed. And I guess that's why he's here, because he's completely crushed. We've not been able to have any conversation with him or even to see him properly, because we came in when the doctors were at it, and therefore we may not be able to talk about his medical status right now. But I'm sure you have heard from even the people who saw him come in. Things were a little bit heavy on him. Yeah, so we just came here to just support the family and support his workers, his support staff. They are really crushed. And we are hoping and praying that he's going to come out of it.
Mheshimiwa, you don't sit in the Senate, but you've just seen what has happened in the Senate. Maybe a sentiment on this as the Deputy President is still in this facility.
It's quite unfortunate that politics has pushed us to the extent that we no longer respect life or dignify life. Because I thought the honorable thing that Senate should have done is to allow the Deputy President to get himself up and continue with the process. But if the Senate has decided that they really do not give weight to the human defeat of the process, then I think we have a lot to rectify in this country. It's very unfortunate that political processes can overrun even the human life and human dignity. But we are happy because God has saved the life of the Deputy President. We are happy that he's alive, and the rest we leave it to God. Yeah.
So you said you can't speak about his health, you are disappointed with whatever is happening in the Senate. What options are you guys looking at?
We have no options other than just wait unto God. It is only God who gives good health. It's only God who gives life. So we wait for God to give him good health, and then we consider our options. Yes.
Mheshimiwa Ngogoyo, thank you for speaking to us as well. The Deputy President, of course, is recuperating, but the proceedings are ongoing in the Senate. As a leader, how do you speak to this?
It's unfortunate that the senators have decided to proceed while knowing that the natural